welcome. Thank you, all the viewers who are giving all of their love, sharing in the comment section. I hope you're enjoying our series of formulation where we are teaching you or showing you how to make effective products at very less cost. जी हाँ, मैंने अपने गुरु से यही सीखा है कि प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट को कैसे मिनिमम किया जाए कि कस्टमर को और मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट हो। तो ये सीरीज में हम वही सीख रहे हैं कि सिंपल सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स से, पावरफुल इंग्रेडिएंट्स से कैसे एक इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट बनाया जाता है। I hope you have liked our previous video of hyperpigmentation cream. अगर आपने उसे नहीं देखा है तो link is somewhere there. So go ahead and watch how to make a hyperpigmentation cream. And in this video, we are going to learn how to make a serum, vitamin C gel serum, again, which is very effective. Please do keep in mind that the application of these products is very different. Vitamin C cream आपको सुबह लगानी है. Lot of people think that it is to be applied at night, but no. Vitamin C cream or serum should be applied in the morning because it allows maximum penetration. सुबह जब आप उसको लगाते हैं आपके स्किन के अंदर जाएगा और काम करेगा, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट का काम करेगा. It will reduce the pigmentation and make sure you're applying a sunscreen. जबकि ingredients like niacinamide और kojic dipalmitate और kojic acid, ये जो pigmentation creams होती हैं या skin lightening creams होती हैं, इसको आप day and night लगा सकते हैं, but please दोनों को mix ना कीजिए. If you are using a vitamin C cream in the morning, apply the second one, that is niacinamide based, that is vitamin B3 based cream in the evening, because that allows to heal and repair your skin. If you are using a hyperpigmentation cream that we made in the last video, that is with the kojic acid and niacinamide, that can be applied both in the day and in the evening. Please do not use a vitamin C serum or cream in this case because they don't work. They will basically negate the function of both. अगर आप दोनों vitamin C and say kojic acid niacinamide वाली cream या serum को use कर रहे हैं तो दोनों भी काम नहीं करेंगे because दोनों का काम करने का तरीका और function अलग होता है. I hope you enjoyed so far and I hope to share more such interesting information with you. So आपको स्किन केयर के रिलेटेड या कॉस्मेटिक मेकिंग, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग या बिजनेस के रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेरीज हो, प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछिए. आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू शेयर. इफ यू आर न्यू हियर, let me just tell you, this channel Cosme by Kia shares everything related to cosmetic manufacturing, production, business, marketing skills, branding. आपको जो कुछ भी चाहिए related to a cosmetic business and how to start, how to go forward. So if you are relating to it, if you like our videos, if you like the information, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And let's begin and see how to make an effective vitamin C gel serum but for day. Let's begin our journey of making the most amazing vitamin C serum in 30 seconds. So I have clocked the time now. I have everything measured. So what we have is our gel base. Okay. I have 30% oils and I have propanediol, which is a humectant, and we are using 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. इधर हम vitamin C के form में ethyl ascorbic use कर रहे हैं, which is a very powdered, off-white crystalline powder. And this we are going to, it is water soluble. ये water and glycol soluble है, तो इसको हम water phase में डालेंगे. तो this is my propylene glycol. हम इसको propylene glycol में मिलाएंगे. And it will dissolve completely. तो here my ethyl ascorbic acid vitamin C जो है वो पूरी तरह से dissolve हो गया है. आप इसको और भी mix कर सकते हैं, थोड़ी देर छोड़ सकते हैं और भी अच्छे से dissolve हो जाएगा. Then I'm adding my oils. This is 30% CCTG. अब हम इसमें अपना special emulsifier डालेंगे. तो ये जो है हमारा additional water phase है. Okay. So I'm adding 6% emulsifiers. और ये हमारा active matter. Now let the magic begin. Just see how lovely it is. Though it has not got a white cream texture, but you can see that the entire ethyl ascorbic acid has dissolved. The texture is maintained. It has a very good hold. It's still a very thick gel, and all the oils are 100% emulsified. I love this texture. Let's see how it behaves. Easy spreadability, lovely skin feel, and highly effective. Wasn't that amazing? I just love how the texture turns out to be and how amazing it feels on the screen. If you also like it, do post it in the comment section. If you have tried this formula, do let us know how was the texture and let us know if you have any questions or queries. कुछ और आपको सीखना है, जानना है, उसको comment section में जरूर लिखिएगा and we will give you the information that you need. Thank you. See you till next time.